Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we dive into everything you need to know about the latest and greatest products. Today, we're taking a close look at a vacuum that's been turning heads for its innovation and convenience, the AIRTHEREAL T1 Plus Touchless Vacuum. It's not just another vacuum, it's designed to make cleaning feel almost effortless, especially for pet owners or anyone tired of the usual hassle of dealing with dust and debris. Let's break down what this vacuum brings to the table. The AIRTHEREAL T1 Plus is packed with features designed to make your cleaning routine as smooth as possible. First, there's the Touchless Dustpan, which, with a simple tap, lets you toss debris without even bending over. That means no more shaking out dustbins or touching anything that's less than pleasant. It's a game changer for those who want a cleaner home with minimal effort. Speaking of dust, the T1 Plus comes with 6 4.7-liter disposable dust bags that are sealed to prevent dust from escaping when you toss them. A reminder system even tells you when it's time to change, which means less guesswork and fewer messes. Add in its 3 suction modes, auto sensing, tap, and manual, and this vacuum can handle everything from fine dust and pet hair to bigger debris like pet food and litter. Whether you're dealing with a spill in the kitchen or pet hair on the floor, this vacuum adjusts to your needs. The suction power is equally impressive, with 20 kPa performance to tackle those everyday messes. Whether you're cleaning up pet food crumbs in the kitchen, litter by the cat box, or hair on your floors, the T1 Plus is designed to handle it all. And for those who suffer from allergies or just want cleaner air, the built-in HEPA filter captures tiny particles, ensuring that dust doesn't get the chance to float back into your space. For allergy sufferers, this is a great perk. Air quality is just as important as clean floors. Now let's talk about the vacuum's performance across different scenarios. For starters, setting it up is a breeze. The touch sensor makes it incredibly simple to start cleaning with just a tap. No need to bend over or touch the debris. Its lightweight design means you can easily maneuver it around tight spaces like under furniture and along window seams. When it comes to pet hair, this vacuum really shines. I ran it through some rigorous tests on carpets and hardwood floors, and it did an excellent job picking up hair without getting tangled in the brush roll. One thing to note though, while it's great for smaller messes, it might not be the best option if you need a vacuum that can tackle really deep carpet cleaning on a regular basis. For that, you might want to look for something with more specialized power. The versatility of the AIRTHEREAL T1 Plus is a big plus. The 3 suction modes, auto sensing, tap, and manual, make it adaptable to a variety of messes. Auto sensing mode is perfect for day-to-day cleaning, adjusting suction power depending on what it detects on the floor. Tap mode is great for quick cleanups, and manual mode gives you full control when you need to tackle a mess head-on. It's a well-thought-out feature that makes cleaning a lot more efficient. But as always, there's a flip side. If you need a vacuum with longer runtime for larger spaces or deeper cleans, the battery life could be a limiting factor. It's best suited for small to medium-sized areas. If you're looking to clean a whole house, you might find yourself needing a recharge more often than you'd like. Let's talk about the noise levels. In terms of sound, the T1 Plus isn't exactly quiet, but it's far from being the loudest vacuum you'll hear. It's got a solid balance, loud enough to let you know it's working, but not so loud that it'll disrupt your day-to-day life. For those who are sensitive to noise, it might be worth considering how it sounds during use, especially in quieter spaces like bedrooms. The overall build quality of the T1 Plus feels solid. It's lightweight and maneuverable, but not so flimsy that it feels like it won't last. The dust bags are easy to install and replace, which keeps things simple. The handle is comfortable to hold, and the overall design seems intuitive. Still, like with any product, there are a couple of downsides to consider. While the disposable dust bags are convenient, they do add up in terms of ongoing costs. The suction power, while strong, isn't as robust as some corded models. So if you're dealing with high-pile carpets regularly, you might need something a bit more powerful. It also could be a little bit better at cleaning corners and edges. Though it does a great job under furniture, the shape and design mean it might miss spots around tight corners or edges. As for value for money, it's hard to ignore the convenience of this vacuum, especially considering the hassle-free dust bag replacement and the strong suction. While it's priced competitively, it may not offer the absolute best performance in its class when compared to other vacuums that can tackle deeper cleans or larger areas without frequent recharging. However, for those who value convenience and efficiency in smaller spaces, it's a great option. In terms of direct competitors, vacuums like the Dyson V8 or the Shark Rocket Pet Pro come to mind. The Dyson V8, for instance, offers comparable suction power and versatility, but tends to cost more. The Shark Rocket Pet Pro, on the other hand, is built specifically for pet owners and has a more robust suction system for deep cleanse. Both are solid alternatives, but they come with their own pros and cons, such as price, weight, or specific features that might be more suited for different needs. The AIRTHEREAL T1 Plus is built well, but as with any vacuum, it's not without its maintenance needs. The HEPA filter will need cleaning or replacing from time to time, and the dust bags will also need to be replenished. It's a simple system that doesn't require much attention, but does need some upkeep to ensure the vacuum performs at its best over time. Customer support for AIRTHEREAL has generally been responsive and helpful, although I didn't have any major issues with the product that required intervention. If you're concerned about warranty or after-sales support, the brand has a good reputation for dealing with any problems swiftly. As for the final verdict, the AIRTHEREAL T1 Plus Touchless vacuum is ideal for smaller spaces and for people who need a reliable, easy-to-use vacuum for quick cleanups. If you have a lot of pet hair or smaller messes around the house, this could be a great fit. However, if you have larger spaces or require deep cleaning on a regular basis, you might find yourself wanting more suction power and a longer runtime. Before we wrap up, make sure to hit that like button if you're enjoying the review, subscribe to Reviewsinsidetv, and don't forget to ring the bell so you can stay up to date with all our latest reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you've got any questions or thoughts about this vacuum, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you already own the AIRTHEREAL T1 Plus, let us know how it's working for you. Until next time, keep your space clean and your life hassle-free.